so the idea was bringing the joy back to learning. And so with Camp Invention, really that hands-on approach, scientific thinking, fail forward, was the direction that we wanted to move in. Just the excitement kept going. And so we also heard from parents of, we're having these conversations at dinner that we haven't had before. Support that we've gotten from Camp Invention and from just regionally has been extraordinary. So always checking in, coming to St. Louis, having conversation. And so I want to give kudos to that because that was a key to our success.
Great part about working with National Inventors Hall of Fame was Chris helped us do most of the grant proposal. All of the information that you would need is easily accessible on the website, and the communication was quick. Someone was quick to call me and reach out to confirm or answer any of the questions that I had.
The great thing about the Camp Invention program is that it is standard aligned, but it's so fun that they don't even recognize that they're really learning a standard because they're so engaged in it. But at the end of the day, they are learning all those key components that they need to have to, move forward.
For a lot of our students that come from disadvantaged families, low socioeconomic families, this is the first time that they're exposed to this type of camp or STEM in general. It truly is an experience that opens up a different world of opportunities for some students who perhaps in the past have not dared to dream big.
And the customer service is amazing. There's never a question that I have that doesn't go answered. So it's a great product. Great opportunities for our kids.
The district has a vision, and each of the principals and school leaders have been starting to try to take the vision of integrated STEM and bringing it into each schoolhouse. So this program allows a school leader to really say, we're going to do it now. He has an opportunity, even with everything else going on. The teachers saw what could typically be barriers, not a barrier. Each student is getting the materials, it's hands-on, and they don't have to be on screen to do the work. There are enough products that are available, regardless of your budget and your time, to be able to figure out how best to serve your students. And that's one thing that I have found clearly as part of being a partner with your organization, that, again, we can figure it out.